Hello everyone, welcome to NRH channel. Dear students, in the last class we have completed the second main of the exercise number 8.1 and third main I have given the homework for you people. Now today we will discuss about the fourth main question from the same exercise theorem. See what the given statement. These now see, remember children, from the exercise number 8.1 all examples are very important in the examination. Now see the fourth main. Show that the diagonals of a square are equal and bisect each other at right angles. Now try to understand the question. See what they given. Show that the diagonals of squares are equal. We know that what are the properties of the square here. Or you have to show that diagonals are equal in the square, and one more point, and bisect each other. Bisect each other means divided into the two equal parts. Bisect each other at right angles. Now diagonals are bisect each other at the right angle. These all 3 points you have to prove here in a square here. Isn't it? Now see the step by step here. Solution. Yes, first draw the square here. As A, B, C, D is a square. Now draw the diagonal. AC and BD are the two diagonals of square. Clear? Then intersect at the point O. Then first you have tried the given. What they given? ABCD is a square and diagonals AC and BD. AC and BD. Now first you have to prove that the diagonals of squares are equal. Now see the triangle. You know that what are the properties of the square here. Now see once again I will recall that what are the properties of the square. A square is a quadrilateral having all sides are equal and each angle is 90 degree. And opposite sides are equal and parallel. All sides are equal and opposite sides are equal and parallel here. Each angle is 90 degree. You have to prove that AC is equal to BD. That is the diagonals of the squares are equal here. Now see, first take the one triangle and another triangle. See the triangle ABD and triangle ABC. Clear? Now see that in triangle DAB and triangle ABC and triangle ABC. Clear? Now see that. Make the congruent by making the three equal elements here. Now in this triangle, can you say that this side is equal to in this triangle this side? Because all sides are equal in the square here. So in this triangle, AD is equal to this side BC. Why? Reason compulsory, sides of square, because sides of the square. Sides of the square. Now one element is equal because these two sides are the squares. Then see what about angle DAP and angle ABC. In this triangle, angle DAB and this triangle ABC are equal because each angle of square is 90 degree. So you can write here angle A is equal to angle B because each angle of square, each angle of the square is a 90 degree reason. Now one more element, AB is equal to AB. In this triangle, AB is equal to in this triangle AB. Why? Yes, because AB is equal to AB because common sides because AB is the common side of the both triangle. Therefore, what can write? Triangle DAB is congruent to triangle ABC. ABC. By which rule? Side, angle, side. By which rule here? By side, angle, side. Correct. Then see that this triangle is congruent to this triangle means what about this side? BD and AC. BD is falls on the AC. AC. Now both triangles are equal means this side should be a false on the BD because why that? By CPCT rule. By CPCT rule. What is mean by CPCT rule here? Corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Now see that this is the diagonals of the squares are equal. One point is over. Now how it is bisect each other? How it is divided into the two equal parts? Now see the next step here. See the second step. How it is bisect each other of the diagonals. Similar. Second here in triangle. Again you have to take the two triangles here and this triangle, or you can take this and this here now. Triangle AOB, triangle AOB and triangle DOC and triangle DOC. Clear? Now see that make the again congruent here because for making these two sides are equal. Because what they are the question to prove here, diagonals are bisect each other. This diagonal is bisect to each other. It means this part is equal to this one is equal to this one. You have to prove here. So you have to take these two angles now. These two triangles. Now see that in these two triangles here. Now AB, side AB is equal to in this triangle which side? Side DC. Why? Because sides of square. Because sides of the square. One element is over. Next, what about this angle and this angle here? Yes, these two angles are equal because vertically opposite angles are equal. When the two lines will be intersect at a point, then their vertically opposite angles are equal. So, angle AOB is equal to angle DOC. Angle DOC because by the reason vertically opposite angles. Because vertically opposite angles. Now what about the one more element here? What you can say that about this angle and this angle here? See that properties of the square. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. These two lines are parallel means AC is the transversal. Now AC is the transversal means this is the alternate interior angles are equal. Because alternate interior angles are equal. So what is the name of this angle here? Angle BAO. Angle BAO is equal to angle DCO. DCO. Why reason here? Because here alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles are equal. So what you can write here? Finally, therefore, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle DOC. DOC. By which rule here? See the angle side. Which rule here? By AAS rules. By AAS rules here. Now both triangles are congruent means what you can say that? Now AO is equal to side which one? OC. Because both are congruent means AO is false on the OC and OD is false on the OB here. Is equal to OC because by CPCT rule. By CPCT rule. Then similar, what you can say that? Similar AO is equal to OC and similar is the OD is equal to which one? BO or OB. Correct? Therefore, what you can say that? Therefore, now AC and BD bisect each other. Bisect each other. Now bisect each other. One more point. What you are to prove here? They ask the question. diagonals are bisect each other at perpendicular. How it is perpendicular? You have to prove here now. Now perpendicular means here the angle should form the 90 degree here. Now you have to prove that these angles are 90 degree. Then you can say that these diagonals are bisect each other at the perpendicular. Now come to the next third point. So I remove this one. Yes, see here. Now see the third point here. How to prove that these are the perpendicular to each other? Again same, I will take this and these two triangles here. Correct? Now very simple are there. By using the property you can easily prove that here. Now take this triangle and this triangle. Now see in triangle AOB or AOB, triangle AOB and triangle, what is that? AOD, AOD. Now compare the both triangles here. Now see the carefully. This point is very important here in these two. Now AB is equal to AD because sides of the square here. Now AB is equal to, what is that? AD because sides of square, because sides of the square. Clear? Now next one is, now one element is over. Now AO is equal to AO is equal to AO. Why? Because common side. Because AO is common to the both triangle. Then what is the one more element here? Already proved that. What is that? OD is equal to OB because already proved here. Already proved. Therefore, what you can say that triangle AOB is congruent to triangle AOD. AOD by which rule here? By SS congruence criteria. Because three sides are equal in triangle to the corresponding triangles also three sides are equal. Now both are congruent means all corresponding angles are also equal here. Clear? Now see that I will take here angle AOB. See very important here, angle AOB is equal to angle AOD. AOD by here by CPCT rule. Both angles are equal here. This angle is equal to this angle because of the by CPCT rule now. Now see how to prove that both are here 90 degree here. So I remove this one. Okay. Yes. Now see that these two angles are equal. Can you tell me the sum of this angle plus this angle gives how much here? Yes, very good. Now angle BOA plus angle AOB is equal to how much here? 180 degree. Because linear pair angle. Because the linear pair angle or straight angle. Correct? Linear pair angles. Because I will write here linear pair angle reason here. Now both angles are equals are there. AOB is equal to AOD. Correct? AOD or DOD. Now instead of that AOD, shall write that AOB here. Correct? Now see that now. AOB means AOD only here. Now it means that what you can write here? DOD means what is that here? AOB plus angle AOB is equal to how much? 180 degree. Clear? Now see the next one. Now AOB plus AOB, 2 times of the angle AOB is equal to 180 degree. Isn't it? Now see that only AOB is equal to 180 upon 2. Therefore angle AOB is equal to how much here? 90 degree. How much here? 90 degree. Now this is the 90 degree. Correct? Then linear pair having the 180 degree. This is 90 degree means what about this angle also? 90 degree. Similar what about this one? 90 degree. And this also 90 degree. Now finally what is the conclusion of these all points here? The diagonals of squares are bisect each other at the perpendicular. I hope you understood. A final point I will write here. Therefore the diagonals of square are bisect each other at perpendicular, bisect each other at the perpendicular. Now like that theorem you have to prove here. It's a very important theorem, children, you have to remember here. Clear? Now next one example, I'll give that homework, which is the homework I'll send in the in group, WhatsApp group. Clear? Now thank you for watching. Have a nice day.